In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Google Form link on Discord. If you want people in your server or a private conversation to fill out a survey, sign up for an event, or submit feedback, the fastest approach is to share your Google Form link directly in Discord. There's no special setup, it works on desktop and mobile, and anyone you send it to can open it right away. Start by opening your Google Form. Make sure you're looking at the form you want people to complete, and that your questions and response settings are ready to go. It helps to quickly scan the title and the first few questions to confirm everything looks correct before you share the link. Next, look to the upper right of the Google Forms window and find the link icon used to copy the form link. It's located on the top bar. Click it to open the link panel, then copy the link provided. When you do this, the URL is placed on your clipboard, which means you can paste it anywhere. Some forms also show a shortened link option. Either version works the same in Discord. The key point is that you're copying the public form link, not an edit link, so responders will land on the fill-out page. Now switch over to Discord. Choose the channel where you want to collect responses, or open a direct message if you're reaching out to someone one-on-one. Click into the message box and paste the link. You can add a short note like, "Please fill out this form," so people know what to expect, then send the message. Discord will display the link, and recipients can click it from desktop or mobile and complete the form immediately. That's all there is to it. This method is quick, requires no extra configuration, and is reliable for teams, communities, and classrooms. As soon as people start submitting, their responses will appear in your Google Forms Responses tab, where you can review summaries or export the data to a spreadsheet. A quick tip: if someone says they can't open the form, it usually means the form is restricted to certain accounts or domains. In that case, review your form's access settings so the people you're sharing with can respond. Also, consider pinning your message in Discord if you expect many responses over time, so the link stays easy to find. With that, you've successfully shared your Google Form on Discord in just a few clicks. Keep this workflow in mind whenever you need fast, frictionless input from your community.